In this video, I'll share the best unlinked store code for Firestick and Android TV boxes. This store will give you access to live TV, on-demand content, pay-per-view content, and more. Now please note, I won't be covering how to enable developer options or the term commonly referred as jailbreaking. Also, I won't show you how to install Unlinked, so if you need a step-by-step guide for that, check out the link in the description. Now let's skip all the basics and jump straight in. Now go ahead and open up the Unlinked application. If you don't have it already, check out the link in the description for the full tutorial. Now click confirm on add a new library. Click confirm one more time and it's gonna open up the keyboard. Again, you can use the store code for Android TV boxes, Google TV streamers, and even Fire Sticks. Now before adding the code, it's very important that you know if you use some of these apps that this might happen. If you're in the US, Canada, or in the UK, you might receive something like this from your internet provider after using certain apps. Your browsing activity and the apps you use are fully visible to your internet provider, putting your privacy at serious risk. To make sure this doesn't happen to you, you need a reliable VPN like IPVanish. I'm going to show you how to get the best deal and walk you through installing and using it on your Fire Stick. I've chosen IPVanish because it ranks as one of the best and most affordable VPNs. Plus, you can install it on all your devices with no limitations on the number of devices. This is by far my top recommendation when it comes to keeping you 100% safe and secure while enjoying apps like these. And not only that, it will also bypass all those restrictions your internet provider is putting on your devices. Now, before I open any of these apps, I always make sure my VPN is turned on. Now I'm going to make it super easy for you to get one. All you need to do is open any browser on your phone, tablet, or PC and go to this website. You can also take out your camera and scan the QR code. Additionally, I'll also leave the link in the description. Now on this website, you'll see an exclusive discount. Choose your plan or just try it for 1 month. Complete your purchase, and once you do, they'll email you with a confirmation with your username and password. After that, you're ready to secure your Fire Stick. On your Fire Stick, go to the home screen, then find the search icon. Scroll down and click on the search bar. And when the keyboard pops up, type in IPVanish. Select the app from the list. In this menu, click download to start the downloading and installation process. Once installed, go to the home screen, click on all apps icon right here, scroll down and find the IPVanish app. Click the menu button on the remote control, select move and place the app all the way to the top. Click confirm. Now open the IPVanish app and log in with your username and password. Now before we hit connect, I want to show you a few settings. Scroll down and select the settings gear. You'll see a menu appear on the other side of your screen. Now I've highlighted where it says connect on Android Startup. If I click the confirm button and turn this on, you won't have to worry about turning on your VPN every time you power up your device. The VPN will connect automatically, so you won't have to interrupt your movie to check if it's on. It'll do it for you. IPVanish also offers split tunneling, which lets you choose which apps use the VPN. This is perfect for keeping local apps showing local content when needed. It allows you to route some of your apps or network traffic through the VPN, while other local apps access the internet directly without going through the VPN. And here you'll also have easy access to your account information, and you can contact support if you have any questions or concerns. Alright, now hit the return button and select connect. You might see a pop-up asking if you're sure if you want to connect to the VPN. Just click OK. Give your system a moment, and once you see your country light up in green, you know you're protected. You also see a timer showing how long you've been connected. Now that that's done, simply click the home button on your remote control. The VPN will continue to run in the background, keeping you safe and secure. Now you can use any of these applications and enjoy unrestricted content while staying anonymous. No more internet provider letters ruining your day. And that's why it's super important to get a VPN. Not only that, but you'll also support this channel. Now let's type in the code, which is gonna be Fire Tweaks, just like how I'm typing it over. And there you go, Fire Tweaks. Type it in. After you've done that, highlight next and click confirm. Now wait patiently, and here's a very useful tip. Make sure to read the welcoming message. In it, you'll find what I personally use to watch my daily content. It's definitely worth reading it and visiting the link. It helped me cut the cord completely with an all-in-one solution that delivers smooth streaming, no buffering, and access to all kinds of content, including sports, pay-per-view events, and more. Once you've done that, go ahead and enter the store. Now, inside this store, you'll find over 70 applications that have all sort of content, live content, on demand, and more. Now, the first thing you'll see is all files. You want to scroll down because we've categorized everything. Scroll down once and you'll see top apps. Those are the top apps that I recommend, that I use on a daily basis. Scrolling further, you'll see highly recommended. And number 3, you'll see adult applications. Then number 4, sports, and then movies, live content. Everything is categorized. You'll even find Kodi. That being said, it's very easy to install any of these applications. I don't need to show you. If you already got this app installed, then you already know. That being said, this video has come to an end. Let me know in the comment section if I helped you out. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.